Right, if everyone is ready, we can start. Firstly, I'd like to thank you all for coming at such short notice. Does everyone know Mr. Lee? Mr. Lee is our representative in Southeast Asia.
Good afternoon, everyone. I've been looking forward to this meeting.
Right then, as you all know, we are here today to discuss the proposed investment project in Vietnam. You can see from the agenda the different issues that we need to look at. So, let's move on to the first item, location. Adam, would you like to start us off?
Well, at the moment, there are two sites worth looking at. The Amata Industrial Park, located nearby Ho Chi Minh City in the south of the country, and one site located in the area surrounding the capital Hanoi in the north. The main advantages of the first option are better, more developed infrastructure and lower land rent.
What's your view on that, Anne?
I agree that the higher level of infrastructure in the south must be taken into account, which is why most foreign companies have decided to invest there. However, I think the north also has potential.
Can you be a little more specific?
Well, the cost of labour is lower there, and workers in the north of the country are regarded as more motivated and hard-working than in the south.
Does everyone agree with Anne's point of view?
I definitely think we should consider alternatives to the south.
What other options can we look at?
There is also the industrial zone surrounding Da Nang, Vietnam's third largest city in the centre of the country. This location offers several advantages. It has a modern airport, a port facility, as well as cheaper and more available labour than in the south. The city Da Nang is also located at the eastern end of a planned infrastructure project that will link Vietnam with its neighbouring countries in order to open up investment channels.
Interesting. What does the city itself offer to our management team who are going to live out there?
Well, the city seems to have great potential there. It is extremely clean and has some excellent beaches and pleasant riverside areas. It is also surrounded by historical sites and national parks. What's more, it is still free from all the commercialisation and crowds of tourists in the south.
What's your reaction to that, Adam?
It is definitely worth investigating. This site might well offer us the right balance of good infrastructure and cheaper cost of labour.
Yes, I agree.
Right, just to summarise the discussion so far, we all agree that Da Nang is worth serious consideration as a potential site. Let's come back to this issue later because I want to move on to the next item on the agenda.